My name is Candido Gonzalez and we're doing the weekly recap. My job at the damper department is to get the right gas pressure, get the right amount of oil, and dyno it and get the right parameters. I've been doing this for 25 years and I'm good at it. My favorite part is to get it going. Work, the more better for me. In this recap, we talk about the R&D on the BMW M3 and the Porsche 911 GTS, our UTV spring kit, and our summer sale. For the R&D, we brought a BMW M3 for the Pro Kit test. We are currently looking into a pair of front springs and complete the set of springs to lower the front and rear of the vehicle. After we brought in a Porsche 911 GTS for another Pro Kit test fit, we will have more information on these kits later on. We just want to remind you all, our summer sale is still happening. From now until August 11, everything on our website is 10% off and free shipping. This week's product feature is our PRO-UTV spring kits. We just completed production on every UTV kit, so if you have a Can-Am, Polaris, Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, or Wildcat, Phase 2 and 3 kits are in stock. Okay, that's it for this week recap. Give us a like and subscribe for more.